Okay, we're back here. Booby trapped his ankle on the thing down there and broke the camera.
Almost murdered everything.
Yeah, you didn't unadjust these valves, so I got to unadjust them now. You have to pull these all the way down so that we can adjust them.
I loosened them up enough to get them out.
I don't think they're going to come out in this position. The cams were already out there, weren't they?
I don't know where the cams are at.
When you adjust the lifters looser, the cams were out, weren't they?
No, there was cams were in. What I meant was.
Taking that off?
Putting it on, just making sure they're
Oh, it was off again?
tight.
I didn't know you had to
Just
tank off.
buttoning it all up proper.
Didn't know you had that off again.
No, I'm just making sure. I don't want to be going down the road and having
Okay, where's our push rods at?
Funny, sir.
Which one goes in the rear?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter? Sure. If it matters that one, then go in.
Well, if one of them doesn't go in, then they're all not going to go in because they're all the same length there, guy.
I got a problem.
You do?
Yep.
Why?
It won't go in. Probably because it's not on top dead center and compression stroke for that hole. Go put your Phillips over there so we can.
For the front or the rear?
Rear on the rear. And the valve's all the way down. Hold on.
Yep.
Hold on. Coming up.
Yep. Yep.
Perfect. Okay, so this one here we're going to have to adjust down all the way down. Can't just be a little bit up. It's going to go all the way down. That's not the right one. It's got a titty on it. I'm going to take the titty one on that one.
No, the titty one goes on the intake.
I know where it goes. There it goes. See, that just barely goes in there. You have to push it. I feel like I just did these a couple times already.
We've done it like 4 times.
Last 2 days?
In the last 2 days.
Last day and a half?
Yeah.
Good experience.
Yeah.
Still can't do it right. All right. Well, if you're so experienced at doing this, how come you're not doing this? Well, we only got a half hour. All right.
We have 20 minutes.
Oh, we're doing pretty. That 10 minutes already went by?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we're quick. So another 5 will be done here. Start the bike up. How's
We
the
do
oil
another whirl.
Think I said?
Yeah, we're good.
How come we're starting to think the same? That's a problem around here.
No,
That's really a problem.
Be hanging around more. The oil level is about here.
About the same spot it's been the whole time.
Yeah.
You put 3 quarts in, it only comes up to here.
Yeah.
I think it holds like 8 quarts, I think. Jeez.
See, I'm gonna like that's for when I do my my long range runs. Just
Fill it up.
put a gallon in there. Just go in there. Straight gallon of 60 weight. There's just so much oil going through it, it'll never die. Oil lasts so much longer.
Yeah, we got a lot of it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that was good.
1 down, 3 to go.
You sure?
That was 2 minutes. 2-3 minutes.
That one doesn't fit in there, though. I don't know how you got these out with having the cams in there. Oh, this one's going to be a problem.
What?
It's already all the way tight. The push rod wouldn't go in the hole. It's not even close either.
How does it? That doesn't even make sense then. How?
We changed the lifters.
Well, yeah, we changed lifters. Is that good?
It's in there, isn't it?
Jesus. Well, let's fuck with the rockers and the lifters some more because, you know, that wasn't just the part that failed.
You beat on it with a hammer. What's the problem? pair of pliers with me nearby, so just beat on it with a hammer. We had to open the valve spring up about 30 thou there to get the push rod.
Yeah.
A little boop. I just check to make sure the valves are
just
seated.
a nice little boop.
Just make sure the valves are seated, yeah.
There you go.
That's what we're doing. Just double checking.
So what I'll do is...
So we know the valve's closed now.
Yeah. Right, now we're going to be moving on to the top dead center on the front. And then we'll turn on the ignition, make sure the module's in the right spot.
It's locked down, isn't it?
No, I put it in just enough so we can make minor adjustments if it's just that little bit off.
Is it on the right mark though?
Yeah, it's on the right marks. Because I put 2 marks in there so they both have to line up.
Just within 5 degrees anyway.
Yeah. I think it'll be easier to kick over now too. Now that the push rods are going to be good.
I don't know about that.
You don't? Think the module's fucked?
Something goofy going on with that thing. I don't know what it is.
Can we hook it up to the computer or check it?
It doesn't check. It just reprograms.
So we could just reprogram it, wipe it clean, start it over? Wouldn't that fix the problem?
I don't know. It's not like a computer. We reboot it, so I don't know. Oh, boost now. Yep.
15 minutes.
Well, this one's been a pain, so.
That was so weird last night when we kicked it over. And the knocking would go away. And then it would start up again.
I just heard that knock again. Put the 2 driver in there.
Yep.
Are you on the piston?
Yeah. Oh, no, not yet.
Is it on the piston? You're going up and down. Put it on the
No.
piston. Leave it down low until I see it come up.
Yeah, there you
Now I
go.
can see it come up.
There you go.
I'm watching the screwdriver going up, and I ain't doing anything yet.
Yeah. Well, I just didn't want it to, like, you know, hit it and, you know, fuck it up or something.
All right, well, it's straight. This one doesn't go in either. There it goes. Push it in.
All right, the back one's good, so I'm going to put the back,
Spark plug in.
yeah. Or should we time it?
There, we're good.
You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Remember that.
You know what's the worst thing could happen? To blow up. It's already done that. So, yeah. All right.
All right, should I do the front now too?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm already got. It's already where it needs to be.
All right, cool. Then we just got to tighten down the
We're not moving it. So.
module.
A bit loose, maybe. So when did that start making a noise? That day before you brought it in?
No, the day that I brought it in. Like, I was like,
It was the day it came in. Is when it
yeah, I was like, hey, it's kind of, it did it a little bit before. Like, it started, I brought it by because I was like, that doesn't sound right.
Yeah.
And it was just like, I kept on adjusting the push rod,
Yeah. Didn't make any
and then it kept on getting loose or tight. So that's, I mean,
That's when the rollers were failing out of it.
yeah. So that's interesting that I know that now. So if I hear a knock and the lifters are adjusting themselves in and out, then
Well, the big clue is if you had to make a big adjustment, that's your first clue that something's wrong.
yeah. Well, I mean, it was, and then I was like, all right, well, that's not good. And then it started clickety clacking. It would have. It would like. I'm just glad we caught it.
See, if I knew you did all that, I would have went right to the lifter, but you never said it. Change adjustment on you like that much. You said you adjust them, but you didn't say there's any major changes.
Yeah.
If I knew it made a major change, I would want right into the lifters right off the get-go. But we know the rockers or this pair of rockers all clean rebuilt, so they're good. The back one,
We'll see. That'll probably be the next job.
next time, yeah.
Ten.
Time? What's the time you said?
10 minutes.
Oh, 10 minutes. I hate the choo-choo going by. That's the 1 o'clock choo-choo, but they're always been early lately.
Yeah. I hear them in the mornings.
I'm telling you, I got a big loading here, rumbling down the road there. Even though they're a block away, you can still hear them.
I hear them up. I can hear them across the bay
Yeah.
when I'm working.
You know, it rolls across the bay pretty good. It's amazing how far distance things go when you don't have any break and the sound waves up.
True.
Okay, that one's done. Where did my screwdriver run off to? Where's the clips? Clippy
Clips?
clippies.
You got one right there.
There we go.
You got one right here.
Wrist ain't happy.
It's cold.
No, it's screwed up.
Well, my wrist is jacked up too.
Been doing a lot of work lately, so. Dealing with those stupid ass twin cam bikes the last couple of days. It's a
So
lot
you're
of
stoked
hours.
you finally got 2 more cams in there?
I like 4 cam, I don't like 2 cam.
Why is that?
Because 4 cam means you got a motor they can work on easy. It's one of these pieces of crap or a 45.
Yeah.
Stupid ass twin cam, pile of crap.
It's just harder to work on, or?
Yeah, there's so much crap all over the whole bike. Yeah. Oh, damn, screwdriver got caught on a titty there, and
Hey, don't scratch up the
I
titties.
put big gouges in there again.
Come on, man.
And got caught corner.
I'm doing those from now on out.
Okay, you can have
Don't
it.
respect the titties.
You can have it.
You do not respect those titties enough.
It's all right.
Disrespecting the titty balls.
You pay like $80 for this stupid thing.
I don't know. It's a long time ago.
You don't care.
I don't.
You buy them again.
I had one of your neighbors yell at me the other day.
Oh shit.
Yeah, I was parking.
One of my neighbors, huh?
Yeah, I was right by your house, and I was parking, and this lady was like, "You can't park there," and I was like, "I don't care.
You don't care.
I don't care. You're gonna get a ticket in a heartbeat." And I was like, "It's Sunday, and it's a long weekend. I'm not getting a ticket." And she's like, waving her fingers at me. I'm like, I really don't care.
You fucking nasty kid. All right, is the gas on?
Not yet.
All right. All right, let's get this stuff all cleaned up. I'm gonna light it off.
All right. Cool.